Emmy, how's it going? Just want to show you lockpick. So this is just a standard padlock, and these are my tools. So this is my tension bar. So you can see. So what it actually is, it's just a clip off a old fine liner pen, and this is my pick, made out of an old bobby pin. And as I said on chat, it's survived a couple hundred picks already. It's pretty damn good. So it's just all about finesse and stuff. Anyway, to show you what I'm going to do, so I'll just show you again. It's completely locked up. So tension bar goes inside, pick goes inside, so that's what it looks like there. And then put a little bit of tension on the bar, and then pop. That's all you need. So it's probably not a very good lock, but I'm sure there's lots of people that use locks like this. So in order to get into a lock, all you need is something like a bit of metal for a tension bar and a bobby pin. Good luck with your picking.